Hello children, welcome to Easy Mathsy YouTube channel. In last video we have seen numbers and its operations. Those who didn't see, you can go and check that YouTube video. Next we are going to see about divisibility rules. So what is divisibility rule? Why we should learn divisibility rule? For example, 10 is the number divisible by 5 and 2. How we can say that? When we divide when we divide 10 by 2, the quotient is 5. When we divide 18 by 3, the quotient is 6. There is no remainder. And when we divide 18 by 4, the answer is 4, 2 by 4. That means there is a remainder. That means 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16 only. And the remainder is 2. If we add 2 only, we will get this 18. So there is a remainder. So that means this is not divisible. This 18 is not divisible by 4. But this 18 is divisible by 3. This 10 is divisible by 2. So how we can find out whether it is divisible by or not? For small numbers, using the knowledge of multiplication tables, we can say whether it is divisible or not. What about bigger numbers, larger numbers like 4-digit numbers, 1, 4, 7, 8, like that big numbers? If it is coming, if they ask how we can find out whether it is divisible by 3 or divisible by 9, divisible by 8, how we can find out? If we know certain rules, we can find out easily. First, we will see 10. What is the divisibility rule for 10? For example, a number if we wanted to find out whether the number is divisible by 10 or not, we have to see its ones place. See, this is the ones place, as you know. This is ones place. This is ones place. If the ones place, see this larger number, what is this number? Let's see, what is this number? 38 crore 97 lakh 56,820. Whether the number is divisible by 10 or not, simple rule. Once in ones place, if you see 0 in a ones place, that's it, that is divisible by 10. So that number is divisible by 10. Easily we can find out. You have to see whether the ones place is 0 or not. Ones place is 0 or you just check out the one. Forget about all other digits, how much ever the big the number, no problem at all. If you see the in ones place there is a 0, that means that is divisible by 10. Then how will you find out whether it is divisible by 5 or not? Next one we will see 5. If the number is having 0 or 5 in its ones place, that's it, the number is divisible by 5. See, if in this number the last digit, that means the in ones place it is 5 is there, here 0 is there. So these numbers are divisible by, say this number also 10,000, this number also divisible by 10 and as well as 5. 10 also it is divisible and as well as 5. All these whichever divisible by 10, that is also divisible by 5 also. Next, 100. What do you think? 100 means how we can find out? Last digit is having two zeros in tens place, in ones place. If there is two zeros in tens place and ones place, then the number is divisible by 0. See this 55,300 means last two digits are 0. That means it is divisible by 100. In this also last two digits are 0. Then it is divisible by 100. So easily we can find out. Now comment what is the divisibility rule for 1000. Next we can see divisibility rule for 2. If the number is having any one of this 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in ones place, then the number is divisible by 2. According to this rule, all even numbers are divisible by 2. You can see these are all even numbers only. Even numbers in single digit. In single digit even numbers we represent used to represent like this. See, in this number in ones place 6 is there, that is a even number and that is divisible by 2. Even in this 4 is there in a ones place. You had to just see the ones place, what is the number present in the ones place. If that is any one of the following, any one among them, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. In that, if any one number present in that ones place, that is divisible by 2. You can easily find out how much ever bigger, how much ever larger the number, no problem at all. If you know this rule, you can find out whether it is divisible or not. Now we will see what is the divisibility rule for 3. If the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the given number also divisible by 3. The sum of digits means, for example, this number, whether they are asking whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. What we should do? We should add these digits 1, 8, 2, 7. All these numbers you add. 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Isn't it? 18. 18 comes in 6 3s are 18. If you're still not getting in mind, even this one, this both also you can add. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. You can find out like this. For this also, you have to know multiplication, basic multiplication tables, 2 to 10 at least. Like this, you can find out the divisibility rule for 3. What is the divisibility rule for 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 together, then the number is divisible by 6 also. Example 35418. Let us take this one as an example. 35,418. As the number is even number, see the last that means in ones place there is 8. 8 is there means that is the even number and that is divisible by, obviously divisible by 2. And the number we should, if we want to find out whether the number is divisible by 3, we have to add the sum of digits. So 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 21. 21 also 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, divisible by 3. So this is satisfying both the rules, the divisibility rule for 2 and divisibility rule for 3, both it is satisfying. So it is satisfying both means it is obviously divisible by 6 also. Hence the number is divisible by 6. Tell me in the comment whether 7596135 is divisible by 3 or not. Now we will go for next divisibility rule, 4 and 8. For 4, a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits in ones place and 10 places form the number that is divisible by 4. For example, take this number 9516. In this, in ones place 6 is there and tens place 1 is there. Take this as a 16. 16 is divisible by 4, hence the full number is this 9516 also divisible by 4. You have to check this last two digits only. This last two only you have to check. Then it is divisible by 4. For like this, the simple rules are there to remember. And 8 also in the same way. Why I connected this 4 and 8, 6 and 2 and 3 like this means because just they are little similar rules. So I teaching this together. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits form the number that is divisible by 8. See, this is such a large number. If you see this 184, last ones, tens and 100 place only you take and check. In this last three digits, 184 is divided by 8. If you divide that, 184 divided by 8. How you will cancel? Cancel this first. 8 twos are 16. Remaining 2 is there, 24, 3 8s are 24. So 23, there are no remainder. So it is divisible by 8. So this last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So this full number is also divisible by 8. Let us check that number is divisible by 8 or not. 5 2 5 5 1 8 4. Let us check this rule is correct or not. Divisible by 8 or not. We will check the full number. First 5 we cannot take as a 52. 6 8s are 48. Remaining 4. And we are taking this 5 down. Now 5 8s are 40. Okay, minus that. This 5 you will get. And you take this 5 down. Now again 6 8s are 48. Because 7 8s are 56. We can't take that. So now how much? 2 plus 5 7. And this 1 we will take down. 8 8s are 64. And remaining is 7 again. And I take that 8 down. Take that 8 down. 7 8s are no 9, sorry, 9 8s are 72. Remaining 6 and bring that 4 down. 64. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Do you think we get a remainder? No. 64 minus 64, 0. That means it is completely divided, completely divisible. Completely divisible. So, without any mistake, if you do, we will get the correct answer. So, avoid. And if you when we are doing such a long division and all, we will get, if we get any mistake in between, the full sum will be wrong. To avoid all those things, such a rule, if you remember, you can take only this last 3 numbers, whether it is divisible or not, to find out, and you can find out whether it is divisible or not. Whether it is divisible, there is no remainder. For example, if the remainder comes, then you can say it is not divisible. It is not divisible. If there is a remainder, you can say not divisible. Now the last one we will see. 1 also we should know. All the numbers are divisible by 1. 50. That means any number you multiply with 1, you will get the same number as the answer. So answer is number itself. All the numbers are divisible by 1. So all the numbers are divisible by 1. So that is the rule. So this obviously any number is there that is divisible by 1 also. 9. If the sum of digits number is divisible, this is same like divisibility rule 3. Like that only this is. If we add all these digits, 1 8, sorry, in this example 1881. In this, if we add these digits, the answer, the sum is 18, and that is also divisible by 9, as 9 2s are 18. So this is how we have to do. divisibility. We can find out the divisibility rule for 9. Divisibility rule is same as 3 only. In that we have after doing sum that should be divisible by 3. Like that, in this, if we do sum, that answer is the sum is should be divisible by 9. If not satisfying the rule, then that is not divisible by 9. You can say confidently. 7. 7 is the last one. I'm going to teach you, because you have to carefully watch it. 7. Double the last digit and subtract it from a number made by the other digits. See this? This is the number 9625. In this number, double the last digit and subtract it from the number made by the other digit. The result must be divisible by 0 or 7. That means you are taking this last two numbers only. 9625. You are double the last digit only 5. Only 5 you are taking. Only 5 you are taking. In this 5 alone, you are double that. That means 962. The remaining is this number 962 you are keeping here. This 5 alone you are doing 2 times. That means 5 2s are 10. So 962 minus 10 is equal to 952. This one what you did, minus, if you do minus, this comes as 952. If that is divisible by 7, that is also a little tough you feel. If you feel, you can make it again this 2 as a double and minus from that. 2 2s are 4 and minus from that. 95 minus 4 is equal to 91, and that is divided by 7. Again 13 you will get. Okay. If this is also, if you feel little tough, 91 I can't do like that. So they take that to 1 also, you take it 1 also and make it as 2 times, and so what happens? 9 minus 1 2s are, so 9 minus 2, it will come like 7, and 7 is divisible by 7, you know that. So this one you have to again you have to practice. Once again I repeat, see, double the last only one digit. That one you have to double it, and the number formed by after leaving that last digit, the another number will form. That number you have to keep one side, and you have to minus that 2 times of that number, first digit. That means ones place digit. Then remaining, what is that answer comes? That one should be divisible by 7. Okay, if you can divide and see that, you can do that. Which rule you feel like fun? Comment below. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment. Like, share and subscribe, children. If you like the video, you just like it and share it to your friends. And subscribe the Easy Maths channel. Thank you.